Hi everyone, welcome back with the channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily add materials to your presentations by using the Magic Assistant on Canva. So beside providing templates, Canva is now will help you with your presentation by using the AI technology to create a draft for your presentation. So here what you need to do is just open your Canva and click on the presentation scene here, then just create a blank presentation. Okay, wait for it to open. Okay, so here a blank presentation has been opened, and what you need to do next is just go to the magic design. This one you can easily find it on the left panel, or you can click on your assistant here, then here click on the magic design. So the magic design will allow you to instantly generate a first draft for your presentation. So you can just add details or just add a topic what you want to present. So I'm going to just click on try it out. Here I'm going to use for example social networking, and after that just click on enter and just wait until Canva finish creating your presentation. Okay, so here Canva will provide you with the preview of the presentation style and also the template styles that is used on your presentation. So the presentation will look like this. It will have some materials like the basic one, like the introduction to social networking, like the benefits, and if you like it, you can just click on create a my presentation, and just like that your presentation will become like this. So this is only a draft. If you want to edit like some materials or some photos, you can always do that. Okay, so that's all from me. I hope this simple tutorial will be helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like this video, click on thanks, and also comment if you have any question. Bye.